Hey beauties! Get ready to have your beauty routine completely revolutionized. Today, I'm sharing the top 10 mind-blowing beauty hacks you absolutely need to know. Let's dive right in. Hack number 1, DIY lip scrub. If you want perfectly smooth, kissable lips, forget expensive scrubs. Just mix a little coconut oil with brown sugar, massage onto your lips, and wipe away. Instantly softer lips, and it tastes amazing. Just try not to eat it. Hack 2, heated lash curler. Ever wish your lashes would stay curled all day? Here's the trick. Gently warm your metal eyelash curler with a hairdryer for a few seconds. Always check it's not too hot. The warmth helps lock in the curl, making your lashes look lifted for hours. Hack 3, mascara shield with a business card. Tired of mascara smudges? Hold a business card behind your lashes while applying mascara. It catches any mess and gives you flawless, smudge-free lashes every time. Hack 4, fill lips with liner. Want lipstick that doesn't budge? Outline and fill your whole lip with a matching liner before applying lipstick. It creates a base that grips onto color, making your lipstick last way longer and look extra vibrant. Hack 5, hand lotion for flyaways. Pesky baby hairs? Grab a tiny bit of non-greasy hand lotion, rub it between your fingers, and smooth over those flyaways. Your hair will look polished in seconds. No extra products needed. Hack 6, sleep on your back. Puffy eyes in the morning? Try sleeping on your back. It helps prevent fluid from pooling around your eyes, so you'll wake up looking bright and refreshed. Simple, but it really works. Hack 7, bronzer for nose contouring. For a naturally sculpted nose, use a matte bronzer a few shades darker than your skin tone. Lightly sweep it along the sides of your nose and blend well. Instant definition, no surgery required. Hack 8, braid hair overnight. Want effortless waves without heat? Braid your slightly damp hair before bed. In the morning, undo the braid, tousle your hair, and voila, gorgeous beachy waves with zero damage. Hack 9, mix moisturizer with foundation. If you love a dewy, natural look, mix a little moisturizer with your foundation before applying. It shears out the coverage and leaves your skin looking fresh and glowing. Hack 10, lip balm as brow gel. Brows out of control and no brow gel in sight. Swipe a tiny bit of clear lip balm on a clean spoolie and brush through your brows. They'll stay in place and look shiny all day. So there you have it, the top 10 mind-blowing beauty hacks. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.